How to write an equation in slope-intercept form when given 2 points. Well, let's take a look. Step number 1 would be to use the slope formula to find the slope. Step number 2 would be to plug the slope and one of the ordered pairs into y equals mx plus b and to solve for b. The third step would be to plug the slope and b, or the y-intercept, into y equals mx plus b. So let's take a look and see how this works. We're given the ordered pairs 0, -3, and 4, 5. So let's plug that into our slope formula. If you remember slope formula, it was m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So that means we're going to take 5 and subtract -3 on top. On bottom, we're going to take 4 and subtract 0. Well, 5 minus -3 is 8, and 4 minus 0 is 4. That gives us a slope of 8 over 4, which will simplify to a slope of 2. So now we're going to take this slope and one of the ordered pairs and plug them back into our formula and solve for the y-intercept. So for m, we're going to plug in 2. For x, let's plug in 4, and for y, let's plug in 5. So now we have 5 is equal to 2 times 4 plus b. Now we're going to simplify and then isolate b. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 5 is equal to 8 plus b. To isolate b, we need to subtract 8 from both sides. When we do that, that leaves us with -3 is equal to b, which means our y-intercept is -3. Now we can take our slope, +2, and our y-intercept, -3, and plug them into our y is equal to mx plus b. So we replace the m with 2, we replace the b with -3, which we know plus -3 is the same thing as just subtract 3. So we end up with the equation y is equal to 2x minus 3. So we know several ways to write these equations. So I hope this helps you on today's assignment. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out.